Apple's first foldable iPhone, what we know. Apple may finally be preparing to make one of the biggest changes to the iPhone in years, a foldable iPhone. Samsung, Google, and Huawei already have foldable smartphones, but Apple has stayed surprisingly quiet. Now, multiple reports suggest Apple is developing its first foldable iPhone, and it could completely change what we expect from an iPhone. So, what could it look like? When could it launch? And how much could it cost? Let's talk about it. First, the design. Apple is reportedly working on a book-style foldable rather than a small flip phone. When closed, you would have a normal smartphone display on the outside. You could make calls, reply to messages, browse social media, and do almost everything you normally do on an iPhone. But open the device, and you could get a much larger tablet-like display. Imagine carrying an iPhone in your pocket and opening it into something closer to an iPad mini whenever you need more screen space. Watching YouTube would be better. Gaming would have more room. Editing photos and videos could become easier, and reading documents would feel more natural. Multitasking could also become a major feature. Imagine having YouTube on one side while replying to messages on the other, or Safari on one side and Notes on the other. Apple controls both the hardware and iOS, giving it an opportunity to create software specifically designed for a folding device. But there's one big problem Apple needs to solve: the crease. Most foldable phones still have a visible line where the screen bends. Reports suggest Apple has been experimenting with foldable displays for years and may be trying to make that crease as invisible as possible. If Apple can create a display that looks almost completely flat when opened, that could be a major advantage. Then we have the hinge. A foldable phone could be opened and closed dozens of times every day, so durability is extremely important. Apple needs a hinge that's strong, thin, and smooth. Premium materials could help reduce weight while keeping the phone durable. Now let's talk about performance. A foldable iPhone would almost certainly be one of Apple's most premium devices, so we can expect a powerful Apple chip and flagship performance. But the real magic could be software. Imagine starting maps on the smaller screen, opening the phone, and instantly getting a large tablet interface. Apps could automatically change their layouts depending on whether the phone is open, closed, or partially folded. That partially folded position could also create interesting possibilities for the camera. You could place the phone on a table and use it like its own tripod. For content creators, this could be extremely useful. You could record TikToks, Instagram Reels, or YouTube videos without needing a separate stand. Now let's discuss the scary part: the price. Reports and analyst estimates suggest Apple's first foldable iPhone could cost around $2,000, potentially even more depending on the model and storage. That would make it significantly more expensive than a normal iPhone, so this probably won't be designed for everyone at first. It could target professionals, creators, early adopters, and Apple fans who want the latest technology. But over time, foldable iPhones could become cheaper as the technology improves. And finally, when could we see it? Reports have pointed toward 2026 or 2027 for Apple's first foldable iPhone. However, Apple hasn't officially announced the product, so the specifications, price, and release date are still rumors. Apple could also delay the device if the technology isn't ready. But here's the big question: does the world actually need a foldable iPhone? Simply having an iPhone that folds isn't enough. Apple needs to show us why folding makes the iPhone better. If this device can replace both your iPhone and, for some tasks, your iPad while still fitting comfortably in your pocket, Apple could have something very special. But if it's simply a $2,000 iPhone with a folding screen, that's going to be harder to justify. If Apple can solve the crease, create an incredibly thin design, and rethink iOS for a foldable display, this could be the beginning of the biggest transformation of the iPhone in years. Now I want to know what you think. Would you buy Apple's first foldable iPhone? And would you pay around $2,000 for it? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more technology, product reviews, and creative content. And I'll see you in the next one.